Hey y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe and click that bell for more notifications. Also, please give me a thumbs up for this video. Also, please remember to share, leave me a comment down below. I sure would appreciate it. So now let's get into this video. Alright, so right here when you go on Stampin' Up, you'll see it says find a demonstrator login. So you'll go on find a demonstrator and you'll click on that. And then you'll go here and you'll click on find a demonstrator. Okay, and you can click on right here, demonstrator's full name. And of course mine's already popping up, but you'll put in my name, which is Tammy. Dameron. Oh, sorry. Last name goes here. And then of course my address. And then it'll say shop now. Okay, and now you can shop now with me. Okay, so that's how, and then of course you can make an account and sign in, or create an account. And then if you want to create an account to be able to come back to Stampin' Up, you can do that. And then you'll have your host code that you'll put in at the end of your order. But what I wanted to show you also is right here, you go on last chance. These right now are all of our last chance products. And I wanted to just show you how much, or how many, I should say, how many items are going to be discontinued. So there's a lot of items being discontinued. You can see just how many. And there's a lot of things that are marked down on sale, like the Bird Ballard Designer Series paper, and a lot of other things. I mean, $8 for that Bird Ballard paper, awesome deal from $11.50. So I mean, it just goes on and on. There's a whole bunch of stuff. So you want to go see what all's there. All the Call Me Clever, Calypso Coral, the other one? There's quite a few inks that are okay. The classics, the 2018-2020 classic Stampin' colors. All of these are gone away. Oh, I didn't even know about this one, the Coastal Weave 3D folder. Wow, I didn't know that was on here too. So yeah, there's quite a bit of things. I didn't know these were on here. That crushed curry ribbon. Oh, the Stampin' Blends are on here? Huh. They've got quite a bit on here. I have to wait for the computer to catch up. Oh, I want to get that right there. This whole set's really cute. I've been wanting that washi. Oh, I didn't know that was on there. So anyway, there's quite a bit. So, like I said, you can just go in there and shop around. And then I got that in my last order. See, I haven't even finished looking through all this myself. I think I've got that paper. So there's still quite a bit to look at, so let me go on. Y'all can finish looking at all this. Go, like I said, go on here and look at all that. Let me show you. There's the clearance rack. And that's how you get to it. And you'll see there's a lot on the clearance rack also. So I just wanted to show you how to log in and put my name in for your use as a demonstrator, and show you all the great deals that's going on right now, because they're getting ready to come out with a new catalog. Demonstrators will be already getting to see the new catalog, and we'll start ordering here. So just wanted to show you this, and please, if you would share, comment, let me know what you think, and if you think you will be ordering anything, if you would be interested in ordering anything, I'd like to know. And subscribe if you're not a subscriber. So thanks for watching, and I'll have the new host code posted here for you, and also down in the subscription box below with the Stampin' Up website, since I do not have my own website for my own store. And that's why I wanted to show you excuse me, what to do when you get there. You have to put my name in. So anyway, I thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a blessed day.